In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to set up emergency contacts on Gusto. Whether you're new to Gusto or just updating your information, having emergency contacts on file is always a good idea. Let's make sure your records are up to date. To begin, you'll need to access your Gusto account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your name or perhaps a user icon, which serves as your personal menu. Go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options available. From this menu, you should select either Settings or My Profile. Depending on the version of Gusto you're using, one of these options will take you to the right place. This is where you can manage all your personal information, including your emergency contacts. Now that you're in the Settings or Profile area, take a look under the Personal Information or Profile tab. This is the section where you'll find the Emergency Contacts area. If you haven't set this up yet, it might be blank, or you might see some placeholders. Either way, we're going to update this now. Click on the Edit button next to the Emergency Contacts section. This will allow you to enter the details for your emergency contact. You'll need to provide the contact's name, their relationship to you, and a reliable phone number. Be sure to double-check all the information for accuracy, as this is who will be contacted in case of an emergency. It's important that the phone number is current and that the person is easily reachable. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, don't forget to click the Save button. This action ensures that your emergency contact information is stored correctly in the system. It's a simple step, but absolutely crucial. You wouldn't want your efforts to go to waste by missing this final action. Having your emergency contacts set up is more than just a formality. It's a safety net for both you and your employer, ensuring that someone you trust can be alerted quickly if anything unexpected happens. And there you have it, the process is complete. Your emergency contacts are now set up in Gusto. Should any changes occur in the future, like a new phone number or a different emergency contact, you can easily follow these same steps to update your information. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to check out our other videos for more helpful guides on using Gusto and managing your employment details. Stay safe and take care.